Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Hasib and I am currently studying software engineering at Daffodil International University. I completed my SSC exam from Damra Kadri Dakhil Madrasa and SSC from Rajshahi Court College. Currently, I am passing my undergraduate degree and continuous developing my knowledge and skill in software engineering, programming and modern technologies. I am passing and about technology and also always engine to learn to new things and can help me grow both academical and professionally. My academic journey, I actively participate in extracurriculum activities and other organization and various student communication. I am involved with technical and educational and activities that help me develop my communication skill, teamwork, leadership, ability, and adaptability. I also enjoy volunteering and participate in the programming related activities and collaborating with some on different projects. This experience have brought in responsibilities, discipline, and problem solving, and important of working effectively as part of team. From a technical perspective, I am building my experience in software development, programming, and system design. I have experience with several programming languages and technical, including Java, C, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, PHP, and my SQL. I am also working to measure project Anchor and project Maya with a helping with again practical and experience in software development and project management. And in addition, I am currently working on 2 research paper with an helping and my research and analytical thinking and problem solving. My career goal to be become a successful software engineering and contributed to the technical and industrial thought, innovation, and effective problem solving. I to work to impactful to software solution that improve people lives and solve real world challenge and future. I also hope high education and continuing the learning advantage technically and such as artificially intelligent to mechanical learning and apart to academical and technology. I enjoy learning two things and experience innovation idea and improving my skill. Lastly, I would like to experience my science and graduate to at Daffodil International University and the software engineering department to providing me with valuable graduate opportunity and support thought out my academical journey. My knowledge and experience I have graduate have helping shape my future career and personal development. Thank you for your watching my videos. I look forward connectly.